The Father is in me, and I am in the Father. John 10, verse 38. As we move closer to Holy Week, the opposition against Jesus becomes stronger. In today's Gospel, the people take up stones once again. They are ready to silence him, not because he has done wrong, but because his truth challenges them. Jesus speaks openly about his unity with the Father. His words are clear. His mission is evident. Yet many refuse to believe. Instead of receiving the truth, they resist it. Jeremiah in the first reading experiences something similar. He hears whispers around him, plots against him, voices waiting for him to fall. Yet in the midst of fear, he declares his trust in God. But the Lord is with me like a mighty champion. Lent brings us to a place where faith is tested, not always in dramatic ways, but in quiet moments of pressure, moments where truth is uncomfortable, moments where standing with God may not be easy. Jesus does not step back from his mission. He remains steady. He continues forward, and he invites us to do the same. Faith is not only about believing when things are easy. It is about remaining faithful when challenges arise, when doubts come, when opposition appears, when the path feels uncertain. To trust that God is still present, still working, still guiding. As we approach the cross, we begin to see more clearly. Following Christ requires courage, but it also leads to life. Lord, strengthen me when my faith is tested. When I face doubt or difficulty, remind me that you are with me. Give me courage to stand firm in your truth. Let my trust in you remain steady, no matter the circumstances. Amen.